Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the new Quadrive Cyclone Fury String Launcher set. So yeah, happy to get this guy. Here it is, Cyclone Rocktivore R7. There's two modes, core center mode, Apex. Yeah, I'm gonna let you do that because I don't feel like reading. I'm tired as it is. Not too tired to record, but I had to do work today. That's why you got to see a video on this guy. The unboxing, not unboxing. This is yeah. Just an no. What? Okay, there we go. That. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah. I bought a spare one by accident, so yeah, you'll be seeing this video tomorrow. Or actually, yeah, you'll be seeing the Beyblade battle between this guy today. Okay, there we go. That was a lot lighter. Here's this mode. Then there's the Excel mode. I'm keeping it in this mode. Let's get the launcher. Happy to get another launcher. Here's the QR code for the launcher. Yes, a left-right launcher that actually works for Hasbro. Because my other one doesn't, the left spin doesn't work. It skips, so yeah. That's always fun for me. Okay, let's take this off. Here's, this is what is supposed to be 6. Yeah, definitely hollow. Fucking crappy Hasbro. Yeah. Then you can switch it like that. So yeah, not metal, by the way. Plastic, shitty plastic. Yeah. Here's the real deal, right here. It's real good. Yeah. Here's the QR code. The high mode right here, yeah. Okay, there we go. Switch that on. There we go. Let's see how this goes. Decent. It's decent. It's okay. Hope you guys like this video. Oh god, hold up, excuse me. Where's a stadium? Yeah, here we go. Oh god. Let's redo this one. Yeah, this video will be up soon. Okay. Hope you guys liked this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.